Hi guys, I'm Nick from Go Boy Archery here in the Cambridgeshire Fens, and this is in a little bit of a response to Adam's chip off. I've already done one video a while back, and with the machinery I have a little bit of limitation on power, but thinking about it, the last time I did this, I ran the machine at full speed, which is about 400 RPM, and I've done a different type of grind after playing with a few grinds. Here's one that is very similar to Adam's last grind, but unfortunately I managed to smash that. But I'm trying something a little bit different this time. The tool's going to be fed in baseways. It's got a large chip breaker on it. I don't know how it's going to go, but this is vintage style. I've slowed the lathe right down. She's running at about 80 RPM with about 4,000, 5,000 feed, and let's have a play and see how we go. Cheers. Here's the old Hendey, and we already have my only piece of mild steel set up. Safety specs on. Okay. You can see back gears going. Touch off, and we will start with a ½ inch off the diameter feed and see how she goes. 50. It's a ½ inch cut. I think we can go a bit more than that. That is a 600 thousandths off the diameter. Let's just see how she goes for starts. As I said, it's the first time this tool's been in. Check everything's tight. There it goes. Chips coming off, little curly cues. Okay, trying to give this a bit more. ¾ of an inch off the diameter now. One hit. Lovely chips. A little bit of coolant on here. I don't think we've got any problem there. rocker back. This machine dates from 1941. She's a 2-inch flat belt drive machine, and this is a little bit old school. Towards the limit now. Look at that. 1 inch off the diameter. Now they're nice chips. Alright, let's go for the big boy. Do you like that? Okay. Don't know if she'll manage this. That's 1 inch. 50. 100. Okay. Inch, 150 foul off the diameter in one hit. Let's see where we go. I believe the Hendeys were a hogging lathe in their day. Yes, I know it's slow, but stall the old girl, but we'll give her a try. The old girl's limit. Well guys, that was an interesting experiment. I just wanted to see what we could do with this old girl. Using the back gear, she has a phenomenal amount of torque for a 2-inch flat belt drive machine. She's turning at about 85 RPM there. She's running on a 2.2 kilowatt motor at the back. She's 440 volt 3-phase, which is what we use in the UK. Running off a power converter in the shed. In the process of doing this, she spat one of the drive belts off on the back, which I'm going to put back on. But we certainly got some very nice chips, nice and tight, nicely broken off, and the tool definitely works. I understand, you know, you can get some clearance issues running a tool in this way. I just wanted to try it, see if it made a difference, and to be honest, it has. It's given me an easier grind to get the chip breaker right, rather than trying running it down the side of the tool, just running it straight across the top. And the old girl certainly can hog some steel still. Hope you enjoy this. And it's just nice seeing, you know, what an old lathe like this can do. So this goes up against the low power lathe as well. Well, here we go. Let me just prove this, find myself a roll. And we are, yeah, just about 1 inch off the diameter there. So that's pretty cool. This is just an old bit of cold rolled mild steel. As I said before, you know, this shop we normally just work with stainless steel and in aluminium, so I don't have a lot of mild steel lying around. But thanks for watching, and let's see how this one turns out. Cheers.